Okay. Now can you see the screen here? No. Now can you all see the screen here?
Yes, sir, we can.
So in last class we have discussed couple of things, finding position vectors, isn't it? Isn't it? Johan, after a long time joining the class. Now we'll talk about addition of vectors. As I told you in the last class, that will start with addition of vectors. Johan, welcome back to the class. Why didn't you join for many days?
My bro Johan is back finally.
Johan,
Only the last class I missed, sir.
you missed. Why?
I was waiting for the class, but any notification didn't show up, so I thought the class didn't start.
No, class will be there. If you are not get, if I'm not taking any class, I'll be just posting in group, right? So I'm not posting, which means you have a class. See, if I'm not posting any message in the group that, so you don't have a class, so and so, then yeah, there might be a chance of not having a class. But if I'm not posting, I just posted clearly that you have a class. So like if I don't have, if have any issues, I'll inform you in prior. Okay? So you will be having almost 99% you'll be having class. Like if any chances, any problem, we will not be having. Okay? Chalo, we'll start with the vectors. So we started with the vector, and hope you might have done with the vectors lesson from your college side. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you done with the vectors?
Yes, sir. I'm done with vectors.
Okay. So we have just gone through the basics, and we have discussed like basic definitions of vector. So we have just gone through that. Make sure that you are just watching that video as well. So before getting into this video, I just asked, what is his name? Tanvi, what is your name? Not Tanvi.
Sir, for me also in college at
Yeah,
starting,
Tanish.
this chapter has been finished.
Finish. Tanishk, have you gone through this? Acha, for you,
Yes,
you have done with this chapter, so you have an idea.
yes, sir, little bit I have.
Okay, no problem. So today we are going to talk about addition of vectors. दो vectors को कैसे add करेंगे? Like how can we add two vectors here? Look at this. By using triangle law, we'll just try to explain this. Basically, first suppose I have this is a vector. I have this vector here. Okay? This is my vector here. By using triangle law of addition, I'm teaching triangle law of addition. What exactly triangle law of addition means here, or what does it mean basically? So here I have AB vector. I have AB vector. I'm generating with A, and BC vector. B to C I'm moving, which means B, and A to C I'm just denoting with a C. Okay? Am I audible to you all? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now look at
Yes,
this
sir.
here. Now can I say that for reaching from point A to C, for reaching A to C, how should I move actually? No, I'm standing here, beta. Okay? For reaching A to C, मुझे C, I should have, I must go C actually. My destination is to reach C point. How can I reach that? Look at this here. Can I say AB? I have to go A to B first. AB plus BC is equal to AC. Can I say? Do you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at this. What is AC here? Guys, look at this. I have to go from this to this point, then this to this point to this C point. Instead of moving in that way, can I straight away just go here to here? Yes or no?
Yes.
That, what is this?
Displacement.
Displacement, shortest distance between 2 points. This is my shortcut. Wherever you find a shortcut, that is displacement. Isn't it? Huh. Everyone try to understand here. I'm just trying to explain the diagram to you all. Look at this here. This is my A to B, right? I'm moving in this direction. Okay? In this direction. This direction. A to B and B to C. B to C. All right. So if I'm moving, and just coming back here, the arrow mark, the direction would be like this only, right? Isn't it? Now I just reached C here. Now I just reached C. How the direction will be again? The direction will be like this. Okay. So people might think that that the direction is coming like that. After reaching here, again it will just move like this. Guys, you will not be having this type of less than symbol here. You will not be having less than direction. You will be having greater than direction. Okay. How it happens? People might think that students might think that I'm just moving A to B in this direction, in this move, in this what do you call that? This is the arrow mark which I'm just moving from A to B point. Okay. Again, B to C, this would be my direction. Do you agree with my point? Yes. Now after reaching point C here, again people might think that अरे यार ये ऐसा आ रहा है तो फिर से कैसा जाएगा ये? ऐसा जाएगा, मगर ये गलती होता है. ठीक है, this is wrong. This will not move like that. The arrow mark should be like this. How it happens? Why should we write that like that? The direction would be that is what I'm going to write here basically. Now look at this here. If two vectors, look at this here. Let me write here. Let me show you. Look at this here. Triangle law of addition का मतलब क्या होता है? How I should just represent that. If two vectors are represented in magnitude, देखो, let me draw the triangle here. ठीक है, this is point A, point B, point C. ठीक है, this I'm just moving. This is vector A, this is B vector, this is मेरा C vector. ठीक है, this will be my direction. Not this will be my direction. ठीक है. हाँ, now look at this here. If two vectors are represented in magnitude and direction by two sides of a triangle taken in the same order. Look at this order and this order same, right? People, in a same order. This order. Now then their sum is represented by the reverse order. Okay. So what I have written here? Look at this here. A to B plus A to B. Look at this here. AB. What I told here. AB plus BC gives me what? AC here. Okay. So AB and BC are in same direction now. Same order. Which means look at this. What was the order? This was the order. Now what is the order of AC here? What is the order of AC? Think, guys. Are you able to understand here what I'm trying to say here? AB order is this one and BC order is this one. Then AC order क्या होता है? AC order A होना चाहिए, मगर A नहीं होगा, इधर रिवर्स में होगा. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? ऑलराइट. हाँ, तो ध्यान से सुनिए, इधर मैंने क्या बोल रहा हूँ. लुक एट दिस. AB प्लस BC प्लस, अब AB प्लस BC इज इक्वल AC. कैसे होना चाहिए? देखो, two vectors are represented in magnitude and direction by two sides of a triangle taken in same order. Then sum is represented by third side taken in the reverse order. ठीक है. So now look at this here. For suppose, look at this here. Sum of A plus B. A plus B is equal to C. All right. Sum of two sides will be equal to, if two sides are in the same order, first side plus second side in the same order, third side will be in reverse order. That is what I'm trying to explain here. If two sides are in same order, third side will be in reverse order. That is what triangle law of addition is all about. Okay. If I tell you in a simple language, if two, all right, two vectors are represented in a magnitude and direction. Okay. Of two sides of a triangle are moving in the same order, which means their sum is going to be represented by थर्ड साइड टेकन इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. ठीक है, अगर दो साइड का सम एक डायरेक्शन में होगा, थर्ड साइड का डायरेक्शन रिवर्स ऑर्डर में होगा. ठीक है, समझा? लुक एट दिस हियर. ऑलराइट, सम ऑफ वेक्टर्स ऑफ ए एंड बी इज डिनोटेड बाय, लुक एट दिस हियर, लाइक दिस, एंड इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज रिजल्टेंट ऑफ ए बी. रिजल्टेंट ऑफ ए एंड बी. रिजल्टेंट का मतलब क्या होता है? रिजल्टेंट का वेक्टर, जो रिजल्ट मिलता है, जो लास्ट में रिजल्टेंट. एवरीवन लाइक एवरीवन कैन अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रिजल्टेंट एक्चुअली? रिजल्टेंट, जो भी रिजल्ट मिलता है मुझे. ठीक है. हाँ, लुक एट दिस नाउ, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर. For suppose here, what I have here now, see, now I'm just moving. Look at this here. Here, can I write? Here, I need to reach here. Okay, from this point to this point. Okay, from this point to this point I have to reach. Okay, for reaching this point, actually I have to go this way and this way. This is the one way, right? Vector A plus vector B is equal to what? Vector C, isn't it? Can I say now, instead of going this way and this way, straight away I can go this way, right? Displacement. ठीक है, तो मुझे क्या होना चाहिए? देख लो क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैंने. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से हियर, वेक्टर ए प्लस वेक्टर बी इन सेम डायरेक्शन. ये सम ऑफ दीस टू वेक्टर्स, ये जो भी डायरेक्शन होता है, ये रिजल्टेंट होता है ना, उसका ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन होता है. ठीक है. हाँ, दैट इज व्हाट द रिजल्टेंट, व्हाट यू कॉल द ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ एडिशन इज ऑल अबाउट. वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट इज द ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ एडिशन? अगर दो साइड एक डायरेक्शन में होगा, थर्ड साइड ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. वेरी सिंपल. ठीक है. नो वन इज गोइंग टू आस्क द डेफिनेशन एक्चुअली, बट आपको पता होना चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? पता होना चाहिए. ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ एडिशन. एवरीवन मस्ट नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ एडिशन इज ऑल अबाउट. व्हाट इज दैट? If I'm taking two sides of a triangle in the same direction, the third side, the sum of those two sides would be equal to third side, which is represented in the reverse order. Okay? All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So A and
Yes,
B
sir.
denoted by A and B denoted by A plus B, and is also called as resultant of A and B. All right. Now we'll talk about, we have just seen triangle law of addition. Now we'll move for parallelogram law of addition. ठीक है, triangle law of addition क्या होता है अभी बता दिया मैंने. ठीक है, now we'll just look into parallelogram law of addition. Parallelogram law of addition. Yes, you might have learned physics famous question, parallelogram law of addition, parallelogram law. All right, if I'm not wrong, state board students might have learned, that a very important and famous question, 4-mark question in for IPA actually. State board students might have learned parallelogram law. Isn't it? Hope it is clear with everyone. Look at this, guys, here. For suppose I'm taking an angle. Look at this, where it is. Yeah, look at this here. Here I'm taking this a B vector. From this point I'm starting. This is a B vector I'm taking. This is a B vector I'm taking. From this point I'm starting in this side. So I'm just taking that as A vector. Okay. Now look at this here. Parallelogram law of addition. What exactly it represent? What exactly it says us? Look at this. If two vectors, let me use this pen. If two vectors are represented in a magnitude and direction by two adjacent sides. Same definition, but here look at it, by two adjacent sides. What is that? By two adjacent side. In triangular, what was that? Any two sides. Two sides. ठीक है. By two adjacent sides. Very basic. We are going from very basic. आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो मुझे immediately you should ask. ठीक है. All right. By two adjacent side of a parallelogram, then their sum is represented by diagonal of the parallelogram, which is co-initial with a given vector. Co-initial का मतलब क्या होता है? बताओ मुझे. Co-initial means what? I told you guys what is a co-initial. एक point से शुरू होने वाले वेक्टर. ठीक है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Co-initial vector का मतलब क्या होता है? The vectors which are starting from the same initial point. Look at this. This initial point. Let's say that this vector is starting from this point, and this vector also starting from this point. This vector also starting from this point. Every vector is starting from the same initial point, which means those vectors are called as co-initial vectors. I have clearly explained you in a basic video. Please, that is what I told you guys. Please, before coming to this session, I just asked you to go through the lecture one video. Now you are not able to give the answer. बताइए मुझे, what is a co-initial vector? The vectors which are moving from the same initial point. ठीक है. अरे यार इसका नाम में ही है. Look at whatever the name I have here. Co-initial vector. Co-initial. जो vectors एक ही initial point से शुरू होता है, वो vectors, those type of vectors or comes under co-initial vectors. Very simple. ठीक है. ठीक है. Done.
Yes, sir.
चलो. Now either let us talk about parallelogram law of addition. Look at this here. Two vectors are represented in a magnitude and direction by two adjacent sides. In triangle, what was that? Any two sides, but in parallelogram, two adjacent sides. Okay? Are you able to understand the difference between these two here? Look at this. Here, by two sides of a triangle is taken in the same order. The two sides of a triangle, whichever I'm taking in the same direction, sum of those two sides would be equal to the third side, which is represented in reverse order. ठीक है. अगर मेरा ये दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में है तो थर्ड साइड जो भी होता है वो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में होगा. दैट इज व्हाट द ट्रायंगल लाइज ऑल अबाउट. ठीक है. नाउ लुक एट दिस पैरेललोग्राम लॉ ऑफ एडिशन. Two adjacent side of a parallelogram, then sum is represented by the diagonal of the parallelogram, which is co-initial with the vectors. Now आपको ये सब, like if you're reading a definition you will not understand. Let us draw the diagram and let us elaborate the diagram and we'll understand. ठीक है. चलो, look at this now. This is what my parallelogram. All right, this is what my parallelogram. Okay, this is A vector, this is B vector. ठीक है. I have taken. What I'm doing here, I'm extending this diagram. ठीक है. I'm just enlarging this diagram so that I'm getting this diagram. ठीक है. I'm just getting this diagram. Very simple. Look at this. So here this A vector, this is a B vector. How many of you agree with my point? Opposite sides in a parallelogram क्या होता है? बताओ मुझे. Sorry,
Equal.
opposite but
Equal.
opposite बोला.
Yeah, opposite sides are equal side parallel.
पैरेलल देखो देखो look at this, this one and this one will be
Yeah, they're
parallel here.
parallel.
ये दोनों पैरेलल हो जाएगा तो ये B होगा, तो ऑफ कोर्स ये B हुआ.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
ऐसा no?
opposite angles are also equal.
Yeah, देखो guys, look at this here. Now I'm just taking this as A here, I'm taking this as B here, then this will be also B vector and this also will be a vector.
Yeah, because opposite sides are
ठीक,
equal.
हाँ, now look at this here. हाँ, now guys, I just framed a parallelogram here. I just framed a parallelogram. All right. Now, can I just join this corner to this corner? If I join these two, what would I get? I would
Vector.
get a diagonal.
Yeah,
Not
diagonal. Sorry.
vector, भाई. Diagonal होता है. ठीक है?
Yeah, yeah.
If any
हाँ.
two corner, you join any two corner, that comes.
Yes, I know
that
that
gives
one.
you a diagonal. Very good.
Yeah.
चलो. हाँ. Now look at this here. What a parallelogram says here. What I told here, two adjacent sides. Two adjacent sides. Now here, A and B. A and B. Look at this here. A and B. These are two adjacent sides. Do you agree with my point? Do you agree with my point
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. They are adjacent sides.
They are adjacent. Now look at this here. Sum of these two adjacent sides. Sum of these two adjacents are is equal to what?
The diagonal.
The diagonal. That is
Yeah.
what he has spoken about in the definition of the parallelogram law of addition. Isn't it? हाँ. Now look at this here. अगर आपके पास ये है, look at this here. You understood right now here vector A plus vector B gives me what? Vector C. ठीक है? हाँ. Now if I'm talking about, look at this, if I'm talking about this triangle, I have two triangles here. How many triangles I have here? Two triangles. What are they? Look at this. If I'm talking
Yeah,
about this triangle.
BAC and
Wait.
BAC.
If I'm talking about the shaded one, if I'm talking about shaded one, this is the result of what I would get. If I talk about this shaded one, if I talk about that, sky blue color shaded one, what would I get? Same result.
Same, sir.
Same result. Adjacent sides are this A vector and B vector. Sum of the two adjacent sides, which gives you what? C vector here. That is what the parallelogram addition. ठीक है? हाँ. Guys, look at this here. Are you able to understand the difference between the triangle law of
Yes,
addition
sir.
and parallelogram law of addition? Very easy.
Yeah.
Very easy. ठीक है? Hope it is clear with everyone. चलो. Now we'll move forward. These are like, for understanding. थोड़ा instant के लिए आपको समझना पड़ेगा. हाँ. It does not mean that, you never use this. Yes, definitely you will use. But the basic property क्या होता है? उसका principle क्या होता है? What exactly the principle of the parallelogram law of addition? You must understand that. ठीक है? चलो. Now we'll talk about the properties of addition. Properties of vector addition. ठीक है? We have seen vector addition, right? Vector addition किस में देखा था मैंने? Triangle law of addition by using triangle law of addition as well as by using parallelogram law of addition. Now let us have a look at the properties of vector addition. Now vector addition is commutative property. Commutative का property क्या मतलब होता है? What do you mean by commutative property? A plus B is equal to B plus A. अरे यार example देख लो, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Same ही होता है result. Common sense. Yes or no?
Yes.
भाई A plus B which gives me B plus A, दोनों सेम ही होता है ना, which is called as a commutative property. समझा? हाँ. Now in vector में भी क्या होता है? In vector as well, A vector plus B vector gives you B vector plus A vector. बराबर ही. Same thing, no changes, isn't it? There is no change. हाँ. This is my first property. Very simple. In second property, vector addition is associative. Associative का मतलब क्या होता है? Associative का मतलब देखो, if I have A plus B plus C, which gives me, I can write A plus B plus C. Example लेंगे हम लोग, एक example लेंगे, ठीक है? I'm just writing this 2 plus 3 plus 5 here. So can I write 2 plus 3 plus 5? This one and this one gives me both, same result here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Yes. Now that is what associative here. Commutative का मतलब क्या होता है? 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. The best example which you can remember is, ठीक है? That is what my commutative. Now associative का मतलब होता है A plus B plus C gives me what? A plus B plus C. ठीक है? A plus B plus C. All right, that is my associative. Hope it is clear. Now look at the third property. Look at the third property here. A vector plus 0 vector gives me what? A vector only, and which is equal to 0 vector plus A vector. अरे भाई A plus 0 is equal to A, which also can be written 0 plus A. This one and this one both gives you same result here. Do you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Yes or no? Zero. Whatever the thing you add to zero, it will be the same again, right? A plus zero. Anything is summation of zero and something would be always something only, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sum of zero and anything would be always anything. Look at it now. The fourth property here, vector A plus minus A vector is equal to zero vector. Guys, now the question is what this vector represents here. Tell me, let's see how many of you. What type of vector is that? Any one of you? I just told you guys.
Null vector.
Oh. I'm just talking about only this circle here, green color circle. What it represents actually. Negative of a vector, isn't it? Hello?
Negative.
Negative
Yes,
of a
sir.
vector. I just told you in a proper. I just told you in a definitions. I just told you in a basic introduction class. In the introduction class, we have discussed what is negative of a vector. Okay. Now vector plus negative of a vector always gives me zero. Now this also can be written as ulta, reverse way. Same thing.
Yeah.
All right. Very simple actually. Now just remember this. For every vector, very important point. For every vector A, there exists an additive inverse, which is this one. This is additive inverse. What do you mean by additive inverse? Sum of two things should be equal to zero. You might have learned in complex numbers, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Complex number पढ़ा है ना आप लोग? CBSE students, complex number में, yeah, but state board students they didn't learn
No,
actually.
sir.
For state board students, a complex number would come in class 12. Yeah. For class 11, they might have learned. Additive inverse का मतलब क्या होता है? Sum of two quantity should be always zero. मैंने ले लिया, देखो अभी A वेक्टर है. अगर मुझे जीरो बनाने के लिए क्या ऐड करना चाहिए? माइनस ये. Simple. So additive vector of, additive inverse of A is what? माइनस ये. ताकि इन दोनों को मैंने ऐड करने से मुझे जीरो मिलना चाहिए. That is what additive inverse. Very simple. ठीक है? Getting my point or not, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Girls? Disha, are you able to understand? Johan, Tanishq, tell me Tanishq.
Yes, sir.
Koi doubt?
No, sir.
Very
No,
good.
sir.
Chalo, very simple actually. Chalo, next. Now we have seen addition of two vectors. Addition of not two vectors, addition of vectors basically. Now subtraction of vectors. Subtraction of vectors. Okay? Let us have a look at this. A and B are two vectors. Then subtraction of B from A is defined as sum of A and minus B, which is represented like this. Guys, now can we say that these two are same thing here? Both are same only, right? Hello, 2
Yes, sir.
plus, look at this here. Now can I say 2 minus 3 is also equal to 2 plus minus 3? दोनों एक ही बात है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That is what he has given. Vectors, the vector sum of this one and this one gives me this one. That is what he has given here. All right. So A minus B, which gives me what? A plus minus of B. By triangular. Same thing here. By triangular में क्या होता है? By triangular क्या होता है? बताओ मुझे. Make it fast. Same thing. Tell me. आपको ऐसे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, देखो मैं नहीं बताऊंगा आपको, एक डायग्राम डाल के बताऊंगा. सेम थिंग, एक डायग्राम डालो, मैंने सिंपल सा डायग्राम, देखो एक ट्रायंगल बना दो ऐसा. ठीक है? आपको ये डायग्राम नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो इसको छोड़ दो एक बार. Like for a while you just forget about that. Okay, forget about that. Now look at this here. Here I'm starting from this point. This is my A vector. ठीक है? I just reached here. Again I'm moving this way. तो मुझे ये क्या होता है? What is this going to be? This one. Let's say that this is B vector. Now what is this going to be? Tell me.
A plus B vector.
A minus B. I'm talking about subtraction here, not addition. ठीक है? हाँ सर, वो कैसा होगा? बताइए मुझे. वो कैसा होगा?
Sir, because both the vectors are in opposite direction.
Both the vectors are in अपोजिट
Opposite
डायरेक्शन।
direction.
हाँ देखो, ये क्या हो, ये मेरा माइनस बी है बेटा, नॉट बी, ये माइनस बी है। तो एज यू टोल्ड दैट समेशन ऑफ दिस टू वुड बी क्या होता है, व्हाट ऋत्विक, तन्वी, व्हाट इज योर नेम यार, मैंने भूल रहा हूँ,
Yes.
व्हाट इज योर नेम,
Tanishq.
चंद्रकांत, तनिष्क, सॉरी। सो लुक एट दिस, सम ए माइनस बी, ठीक है, इसको दोनों दोनों को ऐड करने से मुझे क्या मिलेगा, देखो a प्लस ऑफ माइनस बी, समेशन ऑफ दिस वेक्टर एंड दिस वेक्टर गिव्स यू व्हाट, a माइनस बी ओनली,
Yes.
isn't it? सेम थिंग है ना, एक ही बात है ना,
Yes, sir.
yes or no? So this is my a minus b है, vector a minus vector b, ठीक है? Any doubts? That's how I can subtract two vectors. Simple. Hello.
Yes, sir.
चलो. Now, so if I now look at this here. If I talk about, let's say, let me give a triangle like this. ठीक है? So let's say that this is a b vector, this is a vector, okay, and let's say that this is a b vector, this is a c vector. Now tell me guys here, now from this diagram can I write a vector plus c vector gives me what, b vector? Do you agree with my point? This vector plus this vector. Guys, I'm starting from this point. ठीक है? Now a vector plus c vector gives you what, this vector only, right?
Yes, sir.
देखो, I'm just moving this way and this way. एक बार डायरेक्शंस देखिए, डायरेक्शन बाय ट्रायंगल ऑफ एडिशन, आई एम जस्ट मूविंग इन दिस वे, मुझे आता है दिस डायरेक्शन। नाउ रिजल्टेंट क्या होता है, मेरा रिजल्टेंट क्या होता है, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन। आपको एक, लेकिन यू माइट बी थिंकिंग दैट ये ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन कहाँ होता है, कैसा होता है, देखो कॉमन सेंस से सोचिए, देखो ऐसा आ रहा हूं ना मैंने, आई एम जस्ट मूविंग दिस वे एंड द डायग्राम, यू नो, दिस विल बी मूविंग लाइक दिस and it should move like this, but it is moving in this way, which means triangle of addition only, isn't it? Hello, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है ना guys? Are you able to
Yes,
imagine
sir.
here anything here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So a plus c, which gives me what, b here. So now if I want to find c here, you can find out like this as well. c find out करने से मुझे क्या कर सकता हूँ मैंने, can I write like this? Of course yes. हाँ, हम लोग ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वे ऑफ फाइंडिंग, ठीक है? इफ आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट सी हियर, आई कैन फाइंड आउट बी माइनस ए, इफ आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट ए वेक्टर, सो बी माइनस सी कर दूंगा मैंने, एक ही बात है ना, यस और नो?
Yes,
वेरी
sir.
सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल, पीपल अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? हाँ, सब्ट्रैक्शन वेक्टर कुछ नहीं है बेटा, ये मेरा हो गया ए वेक्टर, ये हो गया माइनस बी वेक्टर, मुझे ये दोनों हो जाए, क्या हो जाएगा बताओ मुझे, ए माइनस बी हो जाएगा, यस और नो? वेरी सिंपल।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये क्या हो जाएगा, व्हाट वुड यू नो, व्हाट वुड बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस, बताओ मुझे, what would be the direction of this? Look at this, I'm just moving this way, I'm moving this way, ये क्या होगा, this way तो होगा, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very simple, तो common sense please, common sense, कुछ नहीं रट्टा मारने का इधर, all right, no one should by hard anything please, कोई by hard करने का जरूरत नहीं है भाई, children, yes or no? चलो, clear, fine,
Yes, sir.
we'll move, shall we move forward now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
everyone, please try to solve this question. ABCD क्या होता है मेरा, एक rhombus whose diagonals cut the origin. क्या होता है, whose diagonals cut the origin. Then find the value of OA plus OB plus OC plus OD. अरे यार लड्डू का सवाल, देखो मेरे पास एक rhombus ले लूंगा मैंने अभी, देखो एक rhombus, ठीक है? Let me draw the diagram. ऐसे तो होता rhombus, isn't it?
Yes, sir. It is rhombus.
Yeah. देखो now, so let me just join the diagonals. ये होगा मेरा एक diagonal, ठीक है? और एक डायगोनल डाल लूंगा मैं, ये होगा मेरा दूसरा डायगोनल, ठीक है? ऑलराइट, हाँ
हाँ sir.
हाँ, लुक एट दिस नाउ, ये क्या हो जाएगा, व्हाट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी नाउ ओरिजिन, you know he has given clearly in the question, ABCD is a rhombus whose diagonal cut at the origin, which means these two diagonals are cutting at the origin, which means they are intersecting at the origin. हाँ, now give the vertices here, give the vertices, question क्या दिया है, look at this here. Now let me give this as A here, one second, someone, yeah, A B C D. Now guys, आपको इधर से क्या समझ में आ रहा है, देखो, I is asking me to find out OA vector. OB वेक्टर, OC वेक्टर, OD वेक्टर, which means what? Origin से एक पॉइंट को जाने वाले वेक्टर को क्या बोलता है भाई?
Co-initial.
हेलो, टेल मी.
Co-initial.
No,
Co-initial.
no man. Yes, they are co-initial only. I'm talking about what is OA here. That is what I asked you to go to the class notes. What is OA here? बताओ मुझे. You must have common sense. देखो थोड़ा common sense लगाना चाहिए इधर. हाँ, अरे यार देखो देखो बेटा, मैंने क्या बताया था आपको? what I told you, let's say that this is a triangle. ठीक है, ठीक है, sum of these two would be what?
The
Third one, right? Direction क्या होगा? This is what the
reverse.
direction, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? हाँ, now look at this. Now can I write here OB vector is equal to minus of OD?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
say that? Now look at this. Now you just draw the diagram. You know, you just like make a what do you call that? Give the direction to every triangle. ठीक है. So for this triangle, I have given this direction. ठीक है. I have given the direction. Now look at this here. Now this, I'm just moving this way, right? This way. Okay. What would be the direction of this? The opposite way. Isn't it, guys? Guys, if I talk about this triangle now, look at this here. How the direction is going to be. Children, are you able to imagine anything here? Look at this. What I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. Let me explain you from the first. Very simple. थोड़ा ध्यान से समझना इधर देखो. How I'm writing OB as minus OD here. इसको भूल जाओ. Like just forget about that. Now, if I take this triangle here, if I take that, you know, that yellow, I mean sky blue color shaded triangle. Everyone try to understand. If I take this one OB, if I'm moving in this direction, and this would be what? This direction. This one plus this one gives me what? This resultant. मैंने क्या बोला था? Sum of triangle law of addition से sum of two sides of a triangle which gives you always opposite direction. ठीक है, देखो ये क्या होगा? देखो डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? ऐसे ही तो होगा.
Opposite direction. Yes, sir.
Yes sir, no?
Yeah.
Yes sir, no? हाँ, now look at this. Tanvik, Ritvik, not Ritvik.
Yes.
Tanishk. I should practice your name. I think I'm always not getting your name immediately. Okay, chalo. Now I got this, you know, direction, right? Now look at this here, everyone. Just talk about this green shaded triangle. Talk about the green shaded triangle. Look at the direction. Already have this direction. Okay. Now how the direction? This direction is going to be this way.
Yeah.
Again,
The next
how-
direction is opposite.
opposite direction. देखो
Yeah.
कैसा होगा ये? This is how the direction is going to be.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
People understood or not? Now देखो अभी ध्यान से सुनिए बेटा, मेरे बात ध्यान से सुनिए. OA का डायरेक्शन कैसा है? देखो OA का डायरेक्शन एक है, एंड OC का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा?
Negative.
नेगेटिव है. OA एंड OB, I mean OA OC या क्या होगा? OA and OC are in opposite direction now. OA and OC are in opposite direction.
Yes, sir. Opposite
Now,
direction.
OA is equal to minus of OC. Can I write like that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, देखो अभी OB है. OB क्या है? एक डायरेक्शन में है. OD क्या होगा? ये डायरेक्शन
दूसरा direction. OD is also equal to minus OD. Yeah.
देखो मेरा बात अभी क्या होगा? Let us
Yes,
consider
I
this
get it.
as equation number 1. From equation number 1 से क्या होगा? देखो बेटा, OA वेक्टर प्लस OB वेक्टर प्लस OC वेक्टर प्लस OD वेक्टर क्या होगा? देखो सब्स्टिट्यूट करो इधर.
Substitute करना.
OA ऐसा ही लिखूंगा मैंने, सेम थिंग, और एल्स यू राइट लाइक दिस. मेरे पास OA is what? What is OA?
Minus OC.
Minus OC, and OB is what? Minus OD. OC let me write as it is, plus OD let me write as it
Yeah,
is. Minus
zero.
OC plus 0, 0.
Zero, sir.
How beautiful this question is.
Yeah.
Tell me. देखो क्वेश्चन दिखने में बहुत छोटू दिख रहा है, आंसर भी बहुत छोटू दिख रहा है. देख, look at the concept behind that. ठीक है, how much concept is hidden behind that. समझ में आ रहा है आपको सबको?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I didn't explain you this triangle and this triangle. You can just solve in the same
Yeah.
way.
You can
You
just
can give
assume.
you can just give the direction the same way and just write the answer. आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Any doubt? Disha, koi doubt either?
If we get the arrows, it will be easy, simple.
Yeah, if you just try to like if you
Imagine
know
the correct
imagine,
arrows.
correct, not imagine, just mark करना. Imagine करोगे तो फिर से गलती कर दोगे.
हाँ,
हाँ,
exactly,
just
sir.
please don't imagine and write. Make a direction with a pencil and just write perfectly. Getting my point, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Disha understood?
Yes,
Johan,
sir. Understood.
Tanishk,
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
very good. Adesha,
Understood, sir.
very good. Chalo, that is what he has given. Look at this here. Since diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other, ऐसा भी बोल सकता हूँ मैंने.
हाँ.
They are bisect each other, so ये opposite opposite होगा. देखो ये हो जाएगा 0. You can say like that. ठीक है? Oh my God, एक minute. हाँ. Now guys, look at this here. हाँ. The question is what? The question is what? This is the question here. C is the midpoint of AB, and P is the P is any point outside AB. Then find the value of PA plus PB in terms of PC. This is a very good question. Everyone try, and I'm just going to give a 2 minutes of time and 1 minute of time, not even 2. I'm just giving you 1.5 minute of time. Please think about this question and just give the answer. Make it fast. Guys, please find it out within 1.5 minute, please.
Sir, is the answer 2PC?
Just a minute, Johan. 1 second. Yes, you are right, Johan. Guys, look at this here. C is the midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of AB. Now look at this. If I just C is the midpoint of AB. So let me take any line segment like this. This is A. This is B. C is the midpoint of AB. Okay. And P is any point outside AB. Let me say I'm taking a point P here outside of AB. Okay. I'm taking a point P here. All right. So can I join these points? All right. Now he is asking for PA. PA मतलब देखो P to A. I'm moving P to A. So this direction. ठीक है? All right. Yes. Look at this here. Now PA plus PB. Now this is a midpoint, right? So can I just draw? Can I join the C and P here? Now let me understand. Let me ask you a question. That how many of you understood this now? So can you give the arrow marks now, guys? Now I got two triangles here. Hello, this is one
Yes.
triangle
Yes,
here, and this one triangle here. ठीक है? ठीक है? दोनों different triangles. So now if I talk about the first triangle, if I talk about this triangle, guys, if I just shade this, I will not be able to give the arrow mark properly. That shade करना ही सही है यार. Look at this. Now if I'm moving this direction and this will be like this.
Yeah, it'll be left side, sir, the other one.
Now look at this here. This will be like this,
Okay.
opposite. ठीक है? Yes
Yeah.
or no? हाँ.
B will
If
be
I'm-
left side.
This will be
Arrow.
like this,
Okay.
isn't it? Now tell me here. How can I write here? By using triangle law. By using triangle law of addition. What is our triangle law of addition? Here, look at this here. PA plus AC is equal to what? PC?
PC. Yeah.
PC.
How many of you agree with my point? ठीक है? हाँ. Now look at this here. PB plus BC is equal to what?
PC.
PC.
C.
Now, हाँ. मैंने क्या करना हूँ? Now let's say that this is my first equation. This is second equation. ठीक है? All right. हाँ. Now if I just look at this AC plus BC, बताओ मुझे AC plus BC क्या होता है? AC and BC.
AB.
AB.
Hello, think.
AB, sir.
अरे यार देखो भाई, look at this.
Sir, both will be in opposite direction.
हाँ, very good. Both will be opposite मतलब cancel हो जाएगा ये तो.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How many of you agree with me? Look हो here AC not opposite direction. देखो opposite direction का AC BC. ठीक है? A to C is this direction. B to C क्या होता है? This direction. देखो A to C are moving in this direction. B to C are moving this direction. दोनों क्या हो रहा है?
Opposite.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Look at this. I just wrote like this. One second. ये होना चाहिए इधर. The direction. Look at this here. सही है? Yes or no? How many of you agree with my point here? देखो,
Yes.
guys, look at this here.
Yes, sir.
For move, I'm just moving this way, and the arrow mark will be like this. And if I move it this way, this arrow mark will be like this. ठीक है? Now understood the arrow mark? Now look at this here. Here AC and BC क्या है? Opposite in direction. Opposite in direction. ठीक है? Opposite in direction. Look at this here. A to C, this is what my direction. And B to C क्या होता है मेरा direction? देखो. B to C, what is my direction? This is the direction. देखो, this and this both are looking like opposite, isn't it?
Yes.
दोनों cancel हो जाएगा, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? PA plus PB is equal to 2 times of PC. This is what my final answer. What he is asked? Find the value of PA plus PB in terms of PC. So in terms of PC, I got that. Isn't it?
Yes.
People understood or not?
Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
हाँ guys, here थोड़ा इसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. This and this both are in opposite direction. Both are in opposite direction. तो क्या होना चाहिए? Both will be getting cancelled. Both will be getting cancelled, so that I would be getting 2 PC as my answer. If I write BA plus PB in terms of PC. ठीक है?
Yes.
Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now I just gave the explanation. We have the explanation of this as well. Okay, so you can just refer that. Now, very good question. Everyone try this question. Make it fast, guys. Slightly we are moving towards the JE question, guys. These are all JE questions. Johan, are you able to understand or not? These questions, they might ask in JE as well. Please. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Make it fast. Everyone solve this question. Take 1 minute of time.
Sir, it's a right angle triangle.
Very good. Can you please explain that?
Sir, I just squared the coefficients of the vectors and then got the answer as root 21, root 9, and root 29. So if we square them, 21 plus 9 is equal to 29.
Yeah, you can do that. But look at this here. He has given ABC be a triangle. The position vectors of whose vertices, respective position vectors, nothing but origin to A, nothing but OA. This is what OB, isn't it? Tanishk, are you able to understand?
Yes.
This is OC. पोजीशन वेक्टर का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, लेट्स से दिस माय राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, ठीक है, दिस इज राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ए बी एंड सी, ठीक है, दिस माय राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सो ही हैज गिवन OA. व्हाट इज OA? I plus 2j plus 4k, ठीक है. You can write the cap, actually I'm not writing. OB is what? Minus 2i cap plus 2j cap. I'm not writing perfectly, guys. You just try to understand. That is a cap. Cap मतलब I told you unit. ठीक है. OC 2i plus 4j minus 3k. ठीक है. हाँ. Now OA. I need what? AB here. How can I find out AB? How can I find out AB? I told you, guys. Hello. How can I find out AB? How can I find out AB? OB minus OA, isn't it? Children, we have discussed AB का मतलब क्या होता है? OB minus OA. And BC का मतलब क्या होता है? BC is what here? OC minus OB. CA is what? OA minus OC. So now if you calculate, so what would you get here? What would you get AB? हेलो, अरे यार देखो, मुझे अभी देखो AB फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो ये भी क्या मिलेगा? OB माइनस OA. दिस वन माइनस दिस वन, this one minus this one, isn't it? OB minus OA मतलब क्या होता है? -3i minus, I mean 0, so -3k. Do you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
OC minus OB, OC minus OB, तो कितना? 4i plus 2j minus 4k, ठीक है. तो OA minus OC, OA minus OC minus I minus 2j plus 7k. All right. This is what I got. But look at this, guys. As per this, how can I decide my option now? As per these things, how can I decide my option? Guys, can I find out magnitude of all this? Magnitude का मतलब क्या होता है? बताओ मुझे. What do you mean by magnitude? Direction between, direction, I mean distance between the this and this, isn't it? So what is the magnitude of this? What is the magnitude of this? Hello, guys, tell me what is the magnitude? What is the magnitude? Magnitude मतलब इधर से इधर distance. This is the distance between these two is going to be magnitude of this. The distance between these two is going to be magnitude of this. ठीक है. Now look at this here. That is what we have done here. So very simple. Either look at this here. This is what I got. BC, AB I got this. AC I got this. Now look at this here. Magnitude of BC क्या होता है? बताओ मुझे. What is the magnitude of BC? What is the magnitude of BC vector? बताओ. 4 square plus 2 square plus minus 4 whole square, which gives you what? 16 plus 4 plus 16, which gives you what? 36.
6.
All right. Root 36, right? That's BC. What is the magnitude of AB? Square root of 9 plus 9. ठीक है. Magnitude of AC 1 plus 4 plus 49. Square root of 54. Guys, I'm just talking about this right angle triangle, right? Now, what happens in right angle triangle?
Two sides equal to hypotenuse. Square out two sides.
Look at this. Clearly we are talking about hypotenuse only. Look at this here. BC plus D, ये दोनों को मिलाएंगे तो ये तो मिलेगा मुझे. Guys, look at this here. Hello.
हाँ sir.
Can I say now here AB, magnitude of AB plus magnitude of BC
Should be equal to magnitude of AC. Yeah.
Isn't it? Do you agree with my point?
Yes,
that is
sir.
what happens in right angle triangle as well. So if I do squaring on both sides, what would I get? What would I get? Here AB square clearly
Yeah.
plus BC square clearly, which gives me
Equal
AC
to
square.
AC square squarely. Yes.
That is what I just get from a right angle triangle here.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes sir. I did
Is
the
it
squaring method, sir, but I got wrong. I did calculation wrong, sir.
Guys, here did you solve in this way only? What is your name? Johan. Guys, look at this here. AC square here should be
Yes,
equal
sir.
to
It's all in that way only.
AB square plus BC square. Very good. So this is how I just elaborated and explained you in a detailed way, but you can solve in a short way as well as you like. How did you do? First you calculate AB, BC, CA. Hello.
Directly with the position vectors, I took the magnitude.
So you got position vector of magnitude of OA and magnitude of OB and magnitude of OC.
Yes, sir.
So from that, what you got?
Got the values root 21, root 9, and root 29.
Root 21. Root 21, I didn't get you. Hello. Can you please tell me if you add two things, that should be equal to third side?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting like that?
Little calculation mistakes.
Okay. So, but like in the perfect way to solve is this is the perfect way to solve actually. Okay. So you can't either say you can't take magnitude actually. From OA, OB, first you calculate AB. Why? Because I'm talking about triangle ABC, right?
Yes, sir.
Not triangle OABC. It's not happen. It will not happen if you call it as a triangle OABC. It is a wrong way of calling that, right? So I'm talking about triangle ABC. This is the right way. Okay. So that might you might got with a luck, but sometimes you may get wrong actually. Okay. All right. Now look at this here, guys. So right angle triangle is going to be the answer. Now this is a homework question to everyone. This is a homework question to everyone. Guys, I already posted these notes. The same notes I just posted this entire PDF in last class notes as well. Please go through that and open it and just solve it. Okay, people. This entire PDF I shared in last class as well. Let me show it to you all. If you just go to the class 11 like this, if you go to the class work and vectors, in vectors, look at this vector lecture 2, right? Lecture 2. If you just open this, if you click this, look at this here, 25 pages PDF you have, right? So whatever we have discussed in the last class, this is like full chapter, like lecture, this is a full PDF. Whatever lecture 1, lecture 2, everything, triangle of addition, everything, I just gave you here, so you can refer that actually. Okay. All right, people, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now this is what the today's session is all about. Okay, you can leave now. You may leave now. And the state board students, Ritvik and I think
Devanshika, yeah.
Devanshika, she's not here. Okay, no problem. Okay, I think did I ask you to? No. What are the days I asked you to take the? I mean, Do you have any class today? I mean, like Ritvik?
Yes, there's a math class. Yeah.
No, not today. Tomorrow, I think. Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, not Saturday.
Sunday. Yeah, I think so. There's in the schedule.
No. I mean, like other subject might be. Okay, children, I'll talk to you, Ritvik. Okay. So I'll just post the message in the group. You can just look at that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sunday at 2 to 3 p.m. sir.
Yeah. All right.
It's
all
in
right.
the group description.
Yeah. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.